Hi guys, welcome to our new JavaScript video. We want to fix the error which says syntax error missing before formal parameters. I've spent a couple of this is so amazing. I spent a couple of minutes looking for this. What could be the problem here? So I realized there's a simple mistake I made. If you see this, you can follow the line here and you can see drive. This is my JavaScript. So the page is that. So I was wondering what was going on. So I'm trying to run my code. The code doesn't work. So I only find out like I had a simple problem to fix. So it says before formal parameters. Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share our content. And if you have something to ask, you can ask in the comment box below. Yeah, so you can click here, click that. You can you find the problem before I tell you? Can you find it? Look at this. This is a function. This is a function also, but we put it in what? In an object, inside the object. So look at this function and I look at this function and see what could be the problem. The problem is simple, but if you don't know, it can take for you forever to find out. These two are missing here. You can see these two are missing here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them there. We see if it's gonna work. Let's go to our page. Yes, you can see these two. Then we put in that, we save, and we take this away, and we go back and look for that. Okay, go back. Yes, when you go back, you can see now our page is running. You need to start the engine, say okay, it says zoom, so it means the engine has started. Yeah, everything's fine. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have something to say, please ask, then we're gonna answer you quickly.